Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super exciting, how people in the US are making passive income from crypto without having to trade or constantly watch the market. If you want to grow your crypto without the stress of buying and selling all the time, stick around. We'll break down two of the easiest ways to do this, staking and lending, and I'll share some real stats to back it up. Let's jump right in. What is passive income in crypto? Alright, first off, what do I mean by passive income in crypto? Basically, it's earning money from your crypto holdings without actively trading or flipping coins. Savings, but in the crypto world, the returns can be way higher. Did you know that around 28% of American adults own some form of cryptocurrency? That's about 65 million people. And more folks are looking for ways to make their crypto work for them, not just sit there. Crypto staking. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income is through something called staking. Here's the deal. Certain blockchains, like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Solana, use a system called proof of stake. Instead of miners working hard to validate transactions, people who hold coins lock them up, or stake them, to help keep the network running smoothly. In return, you get rewarded with more crypto, kind of like earning interest. Usually, staking rewards range from about 4% to 6% per year, depending on the coin and the network. You can stake your coins yourself through wallets, or use exchanges like Binance or Kraken that make it super easy. Just keep in mind, when you stake, your coins are usually locked up for a while, so you can't just pull them out anytime. And of course, there are some risks, like if the network has issues or if the price of the coin drops. Plus, some platforms take a small fee from your rewards. Crypto lending. Another popular way to earn passive income is crypto lending. Think of it like putting your money in a savings account, but way better. You deposit your crypto, usually stable coins like USDC, on platforms like Blockpit, Nexo, or decentralized apps like Aave and Compound. These platforms lend your crypto to borrowers, who pay interest. That interest is your passive income. Typical rates 5% per year, sometimes even higher depending on how much demand there is. Lending stable coins is especially popular because they're pegged to the US dollar, so you don't have to worry about wild price swings. Plus, the platforms usually pay you interest automatically, so you just sit back and watch your balance grow. Risk reminder. But heads up, there are risks here too. If the platform runs into trouble or borrowers default, you could lose money. And unlike a bank, your deposits aren't insured. So, always pick trustworthy platforms and read the fine print. Comparison between staking and lending. 1. Income source. Staking. Rewards come from the blockchain itself, as an incentive for securing the network. Lending. Interest payments come from borrowers who use your crypto. 2. Access to funds. Staking often requires locking up your assets for a set period. Lending typically offers more flexible withdrawals, though some platforms may impose terms. 3. Risks. Staking risks include network disruptions and price volatility of staked assets. Lending comes with counterparty risk, borrowers might default, or the platform itself could have issues. 4. Typical returns. Staking, commonly around 4% to 6% APY, but it varies by blockchain. Lending, more or less similar returns, 5% APY, especially for stablecoin lending, though rates fluctuate based on market demand. 5. Popular platforms. Staking, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase. Lending, BlockFi, Nexo, Aave, Compound. If you're deciding between the two, your choice might depend on whether you prefer supporting blockchain security, staking, or earning interest with more liquidity, lending. Which one seems more appealing to you? Both staking and lending are solid ways to earn passive income, but they suit different needs. If you're cool with locking your coins and supporting a blockchain, staking is great. If you want more flexibility and steady interest, lending might be your thing. Here's some cool context. Crypto ownership in the US has jumped from about 15% of adults in 2021 to nearly 28% today. And a lot of these new crypto holders want to earn passive income instead of just trading. Plus, 67% of crypto owners say they plan to buy more this year, which means this trend is only growing. So there you have it. If you want to make your crypto work for you without the stress of trading, staking and lending are two of the best ways to do it. Just remember to do your homework, pick trusted platforms, and understand the risks. For more information about this topic, please check the link in description. You'll find complete details there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.